You see the sky? See it? Right there, so it's light. Woo! See leaf up. And see, you can see so the storm is coming in. Sorry, you can't hear. So right now we are in the eye of the storm right now. So this is the calmest part of the storm, the eye. And when it's reaching the middle, ooh, that's the time you hear all kind of disaster. Oh yeah, there goes a tree dancing over there. Yeah, look at the tree. Yeah, that's mommy talking on the phone with my auntie. Wow. Do you hear the ocean? Ocean is making a lot of noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but listen cleanly. Oh, you hear it? Well, I do. See, look over there. Look at the lights. You see? Yeah.